Hey, you guys, how's everyone doing? Don't the weeks just fly past? I mean, first it's Monday, then it's Friday, right? And then it's Monday again and Friday again. It's just crazy how the weeks are flying by. And my thoughts for this week is that we just need to slow down and just appreciate every single day and think about what we've done in that day, those special moments that we've had. That's my thought that I wanted to share with you for this week, because it's just crazy, the time. I also wanted to pop in and say hi and update you and let you know that I am not going to be doing my usual weekly marketing Q&A calls because I'm in the middle of giving my workshops. On Tuesday, I gave my Facebook workshop, how to set up your Facebook business page and augment your personal Facebook page and use both of them in such a fantastic way to connect and form deeper relationships with your clients and potential clients and your audience and friends and colleagues. And then on Wednesday, I'm doing my next workshop on social media, which I wanted to remind you about. I still have a couple of spaces left. And as you know, I don't take a lot of people on these workshops because I really like to keep them intimate and small so that I can give you my personal attention. But this upcoming workshop on social media is so important for your business. I know as business owners, this is such a point of contention and frustration for us entrepreneurs, solo entrepreneurs, because we struggle with content. We think that we don't have enough content to post. We don't know what content to post. And I show you how to dig into your mind and into your heart and come up with amazing content that will really resonate and connect with your audience. It's not difficult. You just need to be shown how to do it. And there's definitely a methodology and a way. And when you know how to do it, it does not become a struggle anymore, and it's not a frustration. It's actually pure joy. And it's love, and it's really imparting your mission and your message to your audience in such a loving way that they cannot help but connect with you and want to know more about your business. So it's a very special workshop, and it will really help you clarify your message and your content, and it will give you structure and a framework. I wanted to share with you what a client wrote to me after they took my last social media workshop. And it was so wonderful to get this feedback from her and to get her over this hump of social media content creation. I had no idea where to start with creating content or planning for social media and my emails. Yasmin made me realize that you don't have to provide sensational news to keep your audience engaged. That is so key. She demonstrated how to take one simple piece of content and not only use it in different ways, but also how it could be used across all different platforms. I've never been one for putting myself out there, but with Yasmin's help, I now feel confident to do so without being physically sick. And I really know that this is something people struggle with, is being visible and being out there and being confident in what your message and what you're saying to people. Here's another one from Heather Ann, who also took my social media workshop. This was extremely helpful for inspiring content ideas. Yasmin is encouraging and helps you feel empowered to express yourself. So wonderful to hear that feedback. It just gives me so much joy to know that people can realize that they have the content within them, and it is just so easy to delve into oneself and to bring it out of oneself, because that's where your real connection lives, and that's how you develop relationships and build connections for your business. That's all it's about. It's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. and it's no big deal. And also, you don't need to be technologically savvy. Anybody can do this. You just need to be shown how. I want to share a tip that I gave on my last Q&A marketing consulting call, and people found it extremely helpful to understand it in context and where we are today. It's a marketing timeline. So 80% of your marketing should be focused on connecting with people and really building that connection, cultivating a trust in you. It should be about establishing your authority and your credibility. It should be about educating people, providing incredible value and help to your followers. Once you've done this and you've provided unbelievable value to your followers and you in communication with them all the time, then 20% of your marketing can be dedicated to selling your products and your services. But again, not in a salesy, yucky way, but again, providing that quality and that value. So it's 80% of connection, providing value, establishing yourself as a thought expert or leader in your field, helping people with no other agenda in mind. And then 80% is targeted towards your products and services and showcasing them in such a way as not to sell them, but to tell stories behind them. Do you get what I'm saying? I hope so, because this is the real way of doing marketing today. Social media and marketing is not about selling. It's really not. And in fact, if you start selling your products and your services, then you are going to lose your following and you're going to lose the trust that people have in you. It is all about forming those connections. Business is all about connections and networking, right? It's about being open, it's about being human, and it's about being uniquely you. Nobody else has your unique fingerprint, and that is how you are going to connect the right audience to you and to work with you. This must come through your content. Your true value, your message, your inner conviction must come through your true content. And that is what I show you how to do on the workshop. I know that it's going to be incredibly valuable to you and to growing your business. So I hope to see you on Wednesday on the workshop.